Hello everyone, welcome to another Midjourney video. Now today I will show you how to combine reference images to create AI art. Now this is a very fantastic way of how you can combine two images and create one really awesome AI generated image. Now as you can see, we are in Discord and here is basically Midjourney Discord. So go to newbie section here, and once you reach newbie section, we will actually add a Midjourney bot to our Discord server. So let's go here and go here to the member list. So you will go show member list, and then here you have a Midjourney bot. So just click add to server, and here you will be able to add to your server. Now once you authorize that to your server, what you can do is you can go to your server. As you can see, I have it right here, and this is my server, right? So as you can see, this is basically the bot. So as you can see, we have a Midjourney bot right here, which you can see right here. So if we click on it, we can see here that we can click imagine, blend, settings, info, right? So what we can do is we can upload files. So let's upload a file, and let's upload two different images. These are two different images that we have here. So let's just upload them one by one, right? So upload one, then upload second one here. Just upload them like this. And now once we have these two images, we want to actually combine these reference images to create AI art. So what we can do is type in /imagine, and then what we can do is copy, basically go to the image, copy image, paste it right here, right in the prompt. So what you will need to do is just paste it. So if we go here, we can copy image address, sorry. So we just need to do that. And then what we will do is we'll go to the next image, copy image address as well. Now we'll go space and then just do it like this. Then what we can do is we can obviously type in what we want. So for example, what we can do is we can actually type in imagine, right? So imagine, or not imagine, but what you can do is you can just say, describe how you want the image to look like. So futuristic, for example, futuristic, space, something like that. Let's try this. So this will send command to Midjourney bot, right? And Midjourney will actually combine the reference images and create an AI art. Now, obviously, you will need to wait just a little bit for this to take place, right? So we will need to wait just a little bit, as you can see, waiting to start right here. Now, as you can see, this is basically how it's rendering out the images. You can clearly see the images right now, but they're still a little bit, and as you can see right now, they're going a little bit, faster. And as you can see, this is what the AI Midjourney bot came up with. As you can see, it looks really awesome, really amazing. I think it's great, right? Here, you can also do this with a lot of different images. You can click here if you want different versions, right? Or stuff like that. But this is pretty much how you can combine reference images to create AI art. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.